Hey guys, it's Jana and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about how to look long and lean in a photograph. First things is that when you start, I want you to show me the smallest part of your body, which is probably going to be from the side. Then you're going to take your hips and push them back. Now you should be able to lift up your front leg. The second thing is sometimes with our arms, when we are posing, we sort of press our arms like against our bodies, and that is going to make arms look like way bigger than they are. So what you want to do is push that arm back so you can see a little keyhole right there with your waist, and you can always stick your hand in your pocket, which is going to create a nice little shape. Okay, the third thing is all about that neck and shoulders. So a lot of times when we're like laughing or excited or embarrassed, we squeeze our shoulders up and we just like lose so much of our bodies. So what you want to do is just make sure to keep that shoulder down, that neck long, and laugh from that way. So here we are laughing, having fun, but we have like a beautiful, like long neck. So those are 3 ways that are going to let you look longer and leaner in your next photograph. Also, check the description for a link, a downloadable link, so you can have pictures and little tips for this. Anyway, y'all stay inspired.